Education Practice Test Paper 10. The formula for calculating IQ is IQ equal to MA by CA into 100. Who contributed more in the field of cognitive psychology is Piaget. Sri Ramachandra Deemed Medical University is located at Chennai. Mental age means maturity of intelligence. Duty of school guidance center is all are correct. Counseling service, placement service, follow-up service. Dash are having IQ rate of 110 to 119 is gifted person. Spearman's theory of intelligence is two-factor theory. Minnesota tests are used for identify creative people. First test used for identifying the intelligence is verbal test. Aged person means 50 to 60 years. Classroom climate includes all are correct. Classroom interactions, attitudes of the teacher, social climate, all are correct. Who is related to trial and error learning theory is Thorndike. Who made major contribution in insight learning theory is Kohler. Element of intellectual development is all are correct. Thinking, reasoning, perception, all are correct. Dash is used to identify how the person observes things in one sight is span of attention. Gestalt means whole pattern. Which one of the following is the direct reinforcement thing? It's all are correct. Food, money, social status, all are correct. Which one is an internal factor of attention? Is need. Classical conditioning in learning was developed by Pavlov. Elements of heredity is transferred by genes. Theory of generalization was developed by Helmholtz. Dash is used to change the unwanted behavior among the students is punishment. Binet-Simon intelligence scale was introduced in the year 1905. Rosca ink blot test was first introduced in 1921. Total number of chromosomes in human body is 46. Delinquency among the students is due to frustration. The line DE of learning curve of Thorndike represents peak. Students association are called as secondary groups. Total number of counseling methods is 3. Duration of the continuous attention of man is 10 seconds. CABE stands for Central Advisory Board of Education. Tamil Nadu Advanced Center for Education is located at Chennai. Professor S. Paul Committee's recommendations were published in 1993. Location of Alagappa University is Karaikudi. Problem of adolescence period is all are correct. Generation gap, emotional swing, craving for independence. The educationally backward district of Tamil Nadu is Dharmaburi. International body which provides support to the development of education in world countries is UNESCO. We can find highest literacy rate in Dash district, Kanyakumari. Tools used in field studies is all are correct. Rating scales, questionnaires, interviews, all are correct. The IQ of morons is 50 to 69. CBSE stands for Central Board of Secondary Education. DIET organizes organizations are located in district headquarters. Educational opportunities of women in higher education was reviewed by Dr. Radhakrishnan Committee. In India, up to the age of dash years, compulsory primary education is provided is 14 years. Basis elements for perception is attention. Central organization which conducts research on teacher education is NCERT. The institution which provides formal education is all are correct. School, university, colleges. Dash factors are explained by Thurston in his group factor theory. Is seven factors. Sainik School in Tamil Nadu is located at Amravati Nagar. IQ rate of imbeciles is 25 to 49. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.